Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry.
So my frontal is from Her Given Hair, and this is what the packaging looks like. It is the full lace 3B 3C curly full lace wig, and it comes with some elastic bands and extra clips. And it also has some clips already installed in the inside, and this is what the texture is looking like. So first things first, I'm going to bleach the knots of the lace in the front. I'm using this BW2 bleach and this 20 volume developer, and I just mix it in a bowl in a very thick consistency. And then once I get the desired consistency, I apply it with a knife very lightly, being careful not to push the bleach into the hair. After I let the bleach sit on the lace front for about 15-20 minutes, then I go ahead and rinse it and wash it actually with this Shimmer Light shampoo just to take away some of the brassiness. And once I am done with that, I am gonna start bleaching the actual hair just to lift it, because black does not work for me. And to lift the hair, I'm using the same bleaching powder and the same developer. I'm just mixing it in a much looser consistency. Now for the color, I'm using this Adobe copper brown color. It's the number 76, and I'm just gonna add that to my hair. It's actually a little bit wet. I just co-washed it from after the bleach, and yeah, I'm gonna just apply that and then let it sit for a minute. Once I'm finished applying, I put on a plastic cap on the wig head and blow dry it for about 10 to 15 minutes with the color in it just to let it process. And then I'm gonna wash and shampoo and condition using these two products right here, and then I'm back. So for this wig, I didn't want a super long wig, so I cut it. It was actually a little bit damp when I did cut it, so it ended up being a little bit shorter than I expected, but I put a little bit of layers in it, you know, try to do my thing a little bit. So yeah. Once I got the desired length, I'm going in with these two products to define the hair, and they actually worked pretty amazing. I have to try it on my actual hair. It's the Auntie Jackie's Cocoa Curl whatever line. It worked really good.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
And this is what the hair looks like after I apply those products. Curls are snatched, honey, snatched.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, babe.
And now the last step before I apply the wig to my head is cutting off the lace. You want to be very careful with this and not to cut off, you know, the hair or cut it in an aki, you know, hairline situation. You don't want an aki hairline, sis. So just be very careful and cut around the hairline.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Before I put my wig on, I put my hair in these 6 braids, real raggedy, just threw some braids in there really quick, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put on this wig cap and apply the wig. Now, as you can see, this isn't the safest method of applying the wig. As I get more experience, I'm going to try and, experiment with different methods and, safer methods. My edges are fine now, though. I'm speaking from the future. From the future. And my edges are fine, but I do want to find ways to secure it that doesn't require so much glue and stuff. So, yeah, I'll definitely be back with that. And this is my final look. I don't think it turned out too bad. It could obviously be better. This was my first time, so bear with me. But like I said, I think it came out pretty cute. The curls are popping. This wig is freaking beautiful. I didn't have to pluck it or anything. So make sure you check the link in my description box and go check it out. It's from Her Given Hair. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you. Mwah.